Before this video begins, I just want to take a minute and thank all you new subscribers and all my current subscribers and all that. For anybody that doesn't know, any of the ad revenue that is made off the ads in my videos, it's split between my son's savings account, Ace, and my helper, Badger, or Vince. So just want to let you know, not trying to give you a guilt trip, just letting you know what the deal is. You feel free to press skip ad, no big deal either way. But thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoy all the videos and the future ones to come. Okay, good morning everybody. No farm cleanup today either, sorry. I know, I told you I shouldn't have said it, but another job came up. A house cleanup from, I don't know, a month or so ago, or a house demolition, whatever we did. The guy called me back, said he's got another load of trash and a load of those heavy cast iron heater radiators that are in old houses, etc., whatnot. Freaking etc. Wow, I say that often. Oh, and by the way, the guy who pointed out that I say etc., he wasn't being nasty at all. It was funny because I had never noticed it and he was just pointing it out. So don't think anything different there, just so you know. But anyway, it's freezing cold outside. It's like 8 degrees. The truck's been running for about a half hour and it's just now getting up to temperature, or at least trying to. So anyway, we're on the way to go pick up this trash and the radiators. It's relatively close to the scrap yard, so maybe we'll just take the radiators at the once we're done. So we'll see Badger there. He's working for the guy today, tearing something else out of the house, but we'll still see Badger. All right, so just pulled up to the house where Badger's working. Let's see what the old Badger's up to in the house. Oh, he's doing the floss. Oh God.
Oh man. Oh,
So,
crazy.
Badger's been getting busy. Got a little ceiling fan motor I see there.
That.
Couple radiators.
Oh man, look at
This is the house from what you guys.
That one, these three was in these rooms. I pulled that one out the bathroom, these two out the rooms.
That's good. We getting the tub too?
I'm taking it out.
Okay.
I gotta get it out. I know he gonna want it out. He gonna keep that.
Yeah.
Jimmy, I need a hand.
Okay.
It's heavy.
Let me give you a hand.
Oh yeah. I'm trying to hurry up, man. So when he get it, oh, you got that sludge?
Yeah.
I'm gonna bust that wall downstairs, and I'm gonna leave when you go.
Okay. All right.
Damn right.
We'll get some more.
Come here.
Get some more video. Yeah.
This is what I just pulled out. See
Oh
that?
wow. Nice piece of copper pipe.
But you ought to see the other piece that went to the shower. That's sitting in the corner right there.
Well, we'll get to it.
Yeah, we gonna get it.
They haven't done much in here. Boy, Badger has been getting busy in this house.
Yes, I have. Yes, I have.
Look at this nice pile of steel pipe. Pretty good.
And some more copper pipe to come.
Yep.
And he went, oh shit, I gotta take this.
Got a radiator there.
I gotta cut that off.
Little baby radiator here. Then Badger and scooped up some copper.
Yeah.
Fancy, fancy. All right, we're gonna load this scrap up. Trash first, then scrap. Yeah, ready.
All right. Let's
Bye-ow.
do this.
Bye-ow. There you go. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Go, bitch, go.
There you go. There you go. The other wall's waiting on you now.
Yeah. Look at this, man. Uh-oh. Yeah, fucking water in there, man.
It's all right.
That's gonna fuck me up. No, it ain't.
Why don't you bang it out? Oh, you're gonna bust that window. You can probably just push it out.
Hell no.
Looks. Oh yeah. Come on now. Oh yeah, it's good.
Let's see. I wonder.
There you go. Let her roll. So long. Okay. That's enough excitement for now. All right, there it is, all loaded up. Bunch of cast iron heaters, a little bit of pipe with it. Got to be at least 3,000 pounds. We are headed to the scrapyard now, see what we get. And then after we dump that, we're coming back for a load of trash. Go ahead and pull up. Give it a jerk. There's no dumpsters here for Badger to mash the door up, so this one ought to go pretty smooth. Okay, had 3,500 pounds even for a total of $210. There it is. Badger, your thoughts?
Hey, hello, I get paid today. Twice.
Yeah.
Hello, family.
So, Badger, where'd you learn how to floss so good? Everybody wants to know.
My grandson.
Your grandson?
Little AJ, he's 7 years old.
Yeah?
Yeah, and he tears it up.
That's good.
I can't do it right, but I'm close to it. Close enough.
You're real close.
I love it.
All right, we're going back to get a load of trash, and then we're done for the day.
Yeah.
And now, thoughts from Badger. Badger, let's give a recap of the day. How'd it go?
Ooh. Let's see here. I feel pretty good.
Uh-huh.
I done made a couple hundred.
Uh-huh.
I know for a fact.
Right.
The day is over.
Right.
It's cold as hell out here.
It's only noon or something though, right?
It's only like 1, and we've been here since like about 7.
Yeah. Okay.
And hey, and the day went great, man. It always do though with him and I. That's how we are.
Yeah.
You know what? I would like to stay here and talk to y'all, but look at the steam coming out my mouth. Did you understand the smoke that's coming out my mouth?
All right.
Talk to y'all later.
Yeah, next time.
Yeah.
All right, how's everybody doing? We're done for the day. Got the trash all loaded up. We're done. See you on the next go round. How many years bad luck is that?